how are you? In this book we're going to learn all about oceans. Now, I'm excited to read this book about oceans because the warmer weather is coming in. And I'm really hoping we could all get down to the beach one day in order to go around in the ocean and swim and have such a great day. I don't know if we'll be able to this summer, but it's also good to dream and hope and wonder if we can. So let's read this book about oceans so we could figure out a little bit more about what we may be swimming in this summer. All About Oceans by Christina Mia Gardeski. What is an ocean? An ocean is a big body of salt water. Plants and animals live in oceans. Did you know that Miss Alicia, when she's not here teaching you guys, she's at home watching movies about the ocean? I love the ocean so much. Different types of fish and coral and beautiful animals that live down there. I love to watch videos and movies about the ocean, and you can watch them too. Look how beautiful that is. That beautiful fish with all the coral. It's really, really gorgeous. Their homes are called habitats. Hey, we learned about habitats in our tree book, our forest book. Most homes are in the water. Some are on shore. I wonder what habitats are on shore for ocean animals. The shore. The shore is also called the beach. Waves roll in. Crabs hide in the sand. The birds hunt. Did you ever go to the beach and you saw a crab wandering around the beach? Wander around the sand? Yeah, that's where they live. That's the habitat. But they have to be careful because the birds or the seagulls might try to eat them for dinner. Ooh. The waves roll out and sea stars hold onto the rocks. So have you ever seen a jetty? Do you know what a jetty is? A jetty is a part of the land that's mostly made out of rocks, and it goes far out into the ocean. And sometimes, if you're safe, or maybe if you're a little bit older, you could walk on top of the jetty and you could see the waves crash up against it. But those animals that are on there, that's where their home is. Maybe they're laying out to get some sun, all right? Maybe they just like to be out of the water once in a while. But the waves roll them into there and they latch on and then they roll out. Ooh, the open ocean. This is Miss Alicia's favorite. The sun warms the open ocean. Kelp grows. Fish live in the kelp. A kelp is a type of plant. You see all that green stuff that the fish can eat. And the way it grows close to the surface, not in the deep, deep ocean. It just grows close to the surface because it grows from the warmth of the sun and the sunlight, right? Because a lot of plants need sunlight to grow. And then that is food for the fish. Seals eat the fish. And then the sharks hunt. So it's like a big feeding ground, basically. Little fish get eaten by bigger fish. Sometimes the birds eat the fish too, right? But everybody's got to eat. But the amount of animals that are in the ocean are seriously, seriously beautiful. This here is a leopard shark. Look how beautiful it is. The skin. Wow. Its fins. The pattern on its skin, and I guarantee it's got sharp teeth. Ooh, but then there's the deep, deep sea. The deep sea where there's no light that gets to it. The deep sea is cold and dark. Big whales dive down there. Why do you think the deep sea is cold and dark? Very good. Because of the sunlight. Sunlight only reaches into the water so far. If you remember on the other page, see how it was a little bit brighter? The sunlight can reach a little bit into the ocean, but not as far down as the ocean goes. So down, deep, deep, deep into the ocean, there's no sunlight. So it's dark like this. And I wonder how fish see. Maybe some fish don't see with their eyes. Sometimes if they can't see, they use their hearing in order to hunt for food. It's very interesting. Oh, see? It is hard to see in the dark. Some animals grow big eyes, others glow. Look at that jellyfish. Wow. Now, I've seen jellyfish before in the ocean, but I've never seen one that glowed like this before. It's very beautiful. The waves roll in and out. Life is on the move in the ocean. Beautiful. Look at that. So there's darkness and a little bit of light. So this is probably almost deep down the ocean, but a little bit of sunlight's going there. And look at that school of fish. Fish travel in a school, just like our school. All right? And again, I have some vocabulary words, the glossary of the words that we learned in this book, so I'm going to review them with you. Crab, a sea animal with a wide, flat shell and 2 front claws. Deep sea, the bottom of the ocean where it is cold and dark, right? And it's cold and dark because there's no sunlight that gets there. Habitat, we learned that in the forest book. Habitat, the home of a plant or an animal. Kelp, a big brown plant that grows in the ocean. And who eats the kelp? Yes, the fish. Good memory. Open ocean, the top of an ocean far from the land. That means that there's no land near anything, so it's the open ocean. Sea star, a sea animal that has 5 arms and is shaped like a star. That we can make a project like that. The shore, the part of the ocean where the water ends and the land begins. So a lot of us have been to the beach, right? So when you go to the end of the sand and the water starts rolling in, that's the shore. So it's where the beach and the land meets the water, right? And that's all about the ocean. Again, I really hope that we could get down to the ocean sometime this summer. I know that I go all the way down to the Wildwood Beach because it's just beautiful and the sand is so soft. I hope we could get down there sometime this summer, but if not, we might have to wait till next summer. But at least you know a little bit more about the ocean. See you later.